Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Neo Maruatona. The JSE ended the day up by nearly 1% on 31,869 points. We spoke to Chris Front from Investec Asset Management looking at market valuations.
To us, valuations look about fair on a forward-looking basis. As you said, earnings are expected to recover strongly, so the current price-earnings ratio unwinds quite quickly. Our thoughts are more related to what could go wrong, and there's still a lot that could go wrong in global financial markets as 2011 unfolds.
Today, the NEC was up by 3.5% to close at 27,769 points. We spoke to Femi Oladehin from BGL looking at the markets today.
It's probably clear return to confidence in the Nigerian market. There was quite a bit of apprehension around some of the comments that came around on the Eurobond last week with a number of fund managers appearing seemingly negative on the outlook for the Nigerian market. But what we've seen right now is that there's very strong performance from the stock market. The main drivers obviously continue to remain the banking space. I think that the negative story, and if you recall, that's always been our position. The negative story around the banking sector has changed dramatically. The introduction of AMCON as well has changed the Nigerian story from a stock market point of view. So it looks all positive from here. However, I still continue to think that the risks for the market are on the downside.
The NEC 20 shed 12 points today to end on 4,501 points. For an update on the market, we spoke to Isaac Njuguna from Zimele Asset Management.
Of course, with some investors choosing to take their profits against the prices they bought in December last year. So the trend was by and large expected, and of course, one of the impacts of the new shares coming to the market was a fourfold increase in equity turnover, with the bulk of that being accounted for by the KPLC shares. But as we move forward, I think we're likely to see some resistance, probably at the 24 shillings, 25 shillings range, before we start getting more information coming in.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.